Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. I'm so happy that you stopped by today. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I create my fake Valentine's topiary tree using the Dollar Tree foam Valentine's heart. Alright, so here I'm going to show you all the items that I use creating my fake Valentine's topiary tree. So this molding, I made it out of air dry clay. So I don't know if this happens to you, but I am very impatient when it comes to my crafting. I just want to get it started and get it done as soon as possible. Here's a quick tip. If you cut the tip of the stick in an angle, it'll go in a lot easier. Okay, so I chose not to cut that much off of it because I still try to make it look somewhat realistic. But if you choose to do this, you can cut as much as you want. Just keep in mind, at the end of the day, it's your tree, so you can do whatever you want to it. Okay guys, let me know in the comments below, what would you add to your little tree? I am planning to leave mine the way it is. I love that it looks natural. It gives a little bit of that little heart shape there on the top. I could add lights if I like, or little hearts. What would you add to yours? Okay, thank you so much guys for stopping by. I really enjoy making this video. I hope you did too. If you like to see more of these type of videos, please let me know in the comments below. And here's another DIY that I did out of wooden letters. Thank you again and have a lovely day. Bye.